Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract audio from a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here it opens up in the edit menu. From here we just go into project that we want to edit. Then we tap on the edit button. And then we scroll to the right. And here, next to replace, we find extract audio. Now, if you have a video inserted here, we can select that and just extract the audio from that. But since I have an image inserted here, I can't really do that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.